Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a short fingerprint sensor speed test. We're gonna see how fast the fingerprint sensor is reacting and how much time it takes to unlock our device. So over here we have our fingerprint sensor. As you can see, if we go to the lock screen, it's pretty much in the same spot all the time. So if you press it, there we go, we have our device unlocked. So even if there is nothing being displayed on the screen, we can still press our finger if we know where the fingerprint sensor is in order to unlock our device. And I would say it works pretty well. It doesn't take that long to unlock the device. If you just tap on the sensor, then of course we'll see the information that we have removed our finger too fast. So we need to hold it for like half a second in order to unlock our device. And once the sensor detects our finger, then it rapidly unlocks the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.